Hello. I thought that I would bring you guys into the speed, like giving this update video. Not much content on in it, but just keep posting videos so you guys get to see what's going on. I've been working on inside the car. I've been painting the welds and grinding a little bit on the weldings there that they are not burst, but I promised that I won't be showing any more on the tubing, so that's why I haven't filmed that. I've been sitting here on the trunk and grind the weldings, and everything starts to look something that I could finally paint, so that's why I started this process. And yeah, I will explain a little bit on the coming video, but weather made tricks on me and it turned back on the freezing cold outside, so temperature here inside the garage isn't enough to major painting, so I have to leave these to dry out. So that's the upcoming video. Stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, I jumped to project to another, so promised not to showing grinding on inside the car, so let's take a look, little bit sanding on the doors, so not necessarily looking the sanding, so but I have started this removing all the gum that is on the inside the doors, blocking the dust, etc. So I've been working on that and making this surface a little bit rougher so that the paint would be sticking to it and getting rid of the rust that there has been. I don't know, this looks like rough enough, just removing all the grease and doing that. My idea is to paint inside the car white, outside black, and I already kinda started painting it. There is a little bit white left on the car, but I need to do everything again. Done so much welding that it's not look anymore as I planned it to be. So I don't know, I think I'm splitting the door color here, so this seal, there is a seal on this groove here, those holes are for that. So if I do line up there, so I'll probably paint first this inner section, which is smaller, with white, and then lining, masking off this, and then painting black from there, and flip over, and then paint the over the large areas skin. And I try to do my best work, but as you can see, this isn't the greatest. This fuel tank cover is probably the best and smoothest surface, so I will grind that sanding that surface once more, whole car, but I will put doors on first. So when I'm doing the sanding, I'm matching the colors same time. So yeah, this is a race car and shitty job, but I want to try to make it look nice. So that's my plan here. So get doors first smooth, not perfect, but a little bit better. There was these holes here. This car is 99 years model, true 99 years model, but it is produced on summer 99, so it is like not the Mark 1, it's a 1.5. So this have parts from next model year, which has a facelift, a little bit changes on the lights and well, door trims and stuff like that. So 3 doors are solid, but this had these molding holes, but everything was glued on, nothing was put on the pinch there, so that's different. And yeah, and also inside there was many weird things on electricity that are coming on the next 2000 year model. So that's the background on the short background on the model years of these S40 cars. But yeah, I think I take my tools and start sanding. There is somewhere my Biltema tools here. I'll be using these. Okay, let's continue. I won't be filming. Okay, just to show and protect myself. Oh, I like this. Compressor is running. I had to put some more filler here. I've been working there. I'm all over the metal shredding and the other shit. But yeah, that's my night. done a little bit masking up. No need to be so tight, just I want to cover most of the glass and the frames on window frame. So I will be spraying this part white soon. Need to wipe the grease and shit out of the there, but it doesn't need to be masked here. I just spray here, and then after the white is dry I will mask the white off and then spray black on the others. So that's the game plan. I might try to take a time lapse or something for this, but okay, I will now wipe the doors and start mixing the paint. Hopefully it's still good. Okay, I overestimated the overspray, and so this goddamn garage is full of the white paint now, but I will fix that later. Now there is white paint all over the doors, more some doors than others, but overall I'm happy. Paint is old, thick. I had to thinner that like a lot more than usually should. So yeah, it's quite flammable here now. I let this dry. I need to have a plan of attack how to proceed from here. Next time I will use, I have those covers I didn't put those over the car, but yeah, that's the situation. I need to go. I will joke here. Okay, let's continue later. Okay, it's the next day. Paint is starting to dry. It's still a little bit sticky. Problem is that there is no enough heat. I made the mistake. I thought that the weather would be changing and there wouldn't be so cold outside, but my mistake. But anywho, those are in now, paint's there, so I let this now settle in. So after it's fine, I will mask it off. Probably need to leave this for the weekend, just to make sure that it hardens the paint that it should be. So then after that, remasking and then applying the black color. While I was spraying, I managed to overspray everything, so oopsie daisy, that's my mistake. But all this can be fixed. It's not a big deal, but just extra work always. I have this covering system, so when I was painting my son's car parts, I had that side covered, so I probably should be doing that now also. I will fix that mistake when I'm starting to apply the black paint there. I have to do it here on the hoist because I don't have I don't have anything to put these doors to get paint. The bracketry that I made, yeah, I probably could paint the outside bit there, but well, I don't know. Let's see. I will figure it out. But yeah, that's the painting process for this time. So thanks for watching, and in these pictures there's a little bit more lightning incoming for the car, so stay tuned. Next video we continue hopefully painting, so thanks. Like and subscribe, it's free. Tell your buddies this lunatic is doing something stupid, so worth of watching. Thanks, see you soon.